If you're an MLO, a real estate agent, or a mortgage company owner, I'm about to show you how the landscape of lending is likely about to drastically change. Now, most industry insiders know that HUD revised the language some years ago regarding dual agency, which allowed a person to hold both a real estate agent license and MLO license. However, the language did not allow for someone to work in both capacities on the same deal. Well, stay tuned because that's changed, and there are a lot of moving parts to unpack here in a short video such as this. Now, first off, my name's Aaron Wilson. I'm the CEO of a nationwide mortgage licensing and education consulting company called My Mortgage Trainer. Now, I made this video to help you navigate the change that took place recently when FHA put out Mortgagee Letter 2022-22, where they revised the dual employment language, or should I say, deleted it completely, as well as revised the conflict of interest language, therefore paving the way for dual compensation as both a licensed agent and as an MLO. As you can see, the updated letter, which changes the single-family housing policy handbook, completely removes the language surrounding dual employment. In addition, the conflict of interest section has also been revised to prohibit only those in a position to influence the outcome of the loan approval. For example, an underwriter or an appraiser, etc. From having dual employment and therefore dual compensation. Those people, they're out. Now, as a result of this change, there are many companies working through how to navigate this. And as a result, there are also many licensed real estate agents now actively obtaining their mortgage license in hopes that they can find a sponsor employer and also have access to benefits they've not had access to before. Now, since there are lots of moving parts and the potential for unwanted violations, it's important to make sure that you understand the rules. For example, how does dual employment work for an agent wanting to be an MLO? How do I get my mortgage license and NMLS ID if I'm currently an agent? How does compensation work? Now, these are all good questions and things that we can help you navigate at mymortgagetrainer.com. Now, in addition to these important questions, there are also many considerations that owners of mortgage companies need to consider as well. For example, how do I navigate dual employment scenarios? How does this fit with the MLO compensation rules? Will I need a specific ABA disclosure? How do I navigate RESPA Section 8? Who should I be targeting for these roles? And how will I navigate my current MLO production and payouts? These are all good questions and certainly things that will need careful thought and consideration. It would likely benefit you to speak to someone who has knowledge of all of the moving parts. And although I cannot be available to everyone, my team has a great working knowledge and can help connect our schedules. Now, I'm sure both sides of the business have mixed emotions about this, but I see this as a real opportunity to lock down production for an MLO and to gain some extra marketing dollars for an agent to grow their business. Regardless, as a longtime mortgage consultant and licensing education provider at My Mortgage Trainer, I believe we can assist you with navigating this change, whether you're an owner, an agent, or an MLO. If you have questions about licensing or navigating, call my team at 317-566-0425. They're well versed in assisting you. You may also find answers about licensing at mymortgagetrainer.com. Lastly, if you like this content and want to know when things are happening in our industry, then please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm Uncle Aaron, and I'm out.